here's how to go back to previous screen on the iPhone. Let me get started. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, going back to the previous page or screen on the iPhone is usually achieved either through the back button or the swipe gesture. So the best example for this is the settings app, where you can go deeper and deeper into the different settings menus. And in order to go back, you can either tap the left arrow button in the top left corner, so you can always just go back to that previous option as such, or along the left edge of the screen you can grab anything with your finger as such and slide it toward the middle, so that way you're kind of like reveal the previous screen or page and you go back to that. So that is how it works inside of the settings, but not only there, obviously, it also applies to Safari or, more even a third-party apps, not just the Apple built-in, but that's like the design language of the iOS. So you can always just try to swipe back. When you swipe across the bottom bar, at the bottom of the screen, you have this like little handle. You can also just switch between not just like screens, but whole apps. If that's what you mean, you can switch between apps as such, and that makes multitasking much more faster and efficient. So that is perhaps something you also have in mind. But yeah, that is essentially how it works. Going back to the previous screen, you might also mean the wallpaper. So if you go to the lock screen, you can as well just hold down and switch to a different wallpaper if that's the thing you have in mind. But if I didn't mention something you wanted to see, let me know about that below in the comments. For now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.